My name is Teresa and I'm a stop coordinator for operations in the nitric acid and utilities. What excites me most about the digital twin is how simple it is, in lack of a better word. It's very complex, but it's easy to navigate and to use. I don't know how often I say, have you tried using the digital twin if someone comes up with a question and everything. And it's just so easy to find all of the P&IDs, the history of maintenance, maybe pictures from the notifications and everything. And you can navigate yourself kind of like Google Maps in the plants. Every third week we have this maintenance planning that we call the 3 weeks plan. Usually have the twin as a tool, because when it comes in new and unknown jobs, we usually haven't discussed them before. Then we can use the twin to identify, okay, where is it? In which area is it? Does it need any access, like scaffolding and stuff? And then it's easier for maintenance to plan from there. So we usually use it in the planning of maintenance, so that's very effective. And then we can also get P&IDs to check how massive it will be. It helps us get a quicker answer. Usually before we just said, oh, we need to check it out, we need to check it out, we need to check it out. And now it's less, we need to check it out. Yeah. We could just use the twin. Sometimes the questions like, but didn't we just install a new gasket here? And then we could just see the previous work orders and maintenance history. And that's very helpful for us to plan maybe we need to do something new, not just change the gasket. In general, the twin is very useful in the planning of shutdowns and turnarounds. We use the twin to identify which kind of acts we need to do in advance. You know, using the interlock matrices and everything. And then the twin is so useful that we can just write in the tag, okay, what does it do in the matrices? And then it zooms in, and that's very effective because before we scanned manually every interlock matrices, and then maybe we can overlook something, and now it just shows us where in the matrices it is. And that's very effective and helps us and makes us identify the preparations we need to do in advance. If I have to summarize the digital twin in one word, it might be a boring word, but for me it's time saving. Just for me to get everything that I need in one platform, it's a huge help for me.